Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free Cash App money. So as you can see, I got $600 in my Cash App. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. It's an insane method. So basically there's an app called Strimly and they pay you to watch YouTube videos. It's super weird. So basically what happens is they pay you to watch YouTube videos and Twitch live streams. And then afterwards they credit you with freaking money. And one of the payout options is Cash App. So let me just show you guys how it works. So as you can see, we have our watch streams and our watch YouTube clips options. So if I press watch YouTube clips, as you can see, it just shows all these videos and I can actually watch these. Then I go to withdraw and I choose Cash App and bang, I can actually select the amount and then the points and press withdraw. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download the Strimly app. So the first thing we're going to do is go to their website, strimly.co. So once you're on the site, guys, I don't know what to do on Android, but I'm on an iPhone, so I'm going to press download for iPhone, and it brings up this thing that says iOS profile installation. So what we need to do is go ahead and press start download, and this will install the profile into our device. And so now we're going to go ahead and press allow, press close, and next thing we're going to do is go to settings app, and from there we're going to go to where it says profile downloaded, and we're going to go ahead and press install. So now we need to enter our iPhone password. So this is our password, not my password. Then we're going to go ahead and press the button that says next, and then install, and then there's one more in red. Press that, go to the home screen, and now you should see Strimly. So we're going to open up the app and we're going to see a award of 1,000 points. We're going to press accept. I don't really know why they do this, but it's for new users, I guess. So scroll around the app a little bit, try to use it, and you might see this thing that says one-time verification required. Before you can use our services and link our YouTube and Twitch, you must tap continue. So go ahead and press tap continue, and it brings you over here where it says missing files, additional files are required. So basically you have to download these apps and like complete instructions. You can see it says download additional files from the sponsor list to complete installation process. For each file, 1,000 points are added to your Strimly account. Now bear in mind, these are from the App Store. I just wanted to show you guys that. So anyway, guys, be sure to try it out. It is super insane. Personally, I do like Merge Garden. I do the Family Island one usually. So yeah, it's really cool, guys. So be sure to try it out. And I'm going to see you guys later. If you guys want to get free money on the Cash App, that's how you do it, bro.